Hey guys, I'm back. Anywho, you know what? I think music makes our life. Did you imagine life without music? Really? I mean, really without music. Not just without a certain type of music, without any music at all. What would we do? Could you imagine how boring, like, movies would be? Could you imagine Jaws? Some guy trying to swim across the lake away from the shark. And some guy in the background going, do-do, 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 do-do. It's not the same as John Williams. With those big violins and cellos and basses. It's awesome. It's awesome. My copyright sensors are probably going off like nobody's business right now with this music in the background, but I don't know. They paid for the rights to the music, right? I don't know. Probably won't now. I'm probably advertising. Turn this off. Probably advertising for them now, so. Anywho. Oh. Work. Getting ready for college. I need to call to college today and get everything straightened out. I went for orientation to get my classes done, but they couldn't finish my classes because they had no record of my chicken pox, or the chicken pox shot, the vaccinella shot. So I had to sign a waiver form and told them that I was going to get it, or get them proof that I had already had it. So I did that. Well, I haven't done that yet. I signed the waiver and I started signing up for my classes, but the ones I need are full. It's a mess. I'm not looking forward a bit to finishing all this stuff. So I want to just sit down with somebody, but they make you do everything online, and I really don't like that. Well, I don't know why they can't just be simple and let you do it with them instead of doing it online, because that would solve a lot of problems. The car don't pull out in front of me. My brakes don't work. Come on, my legs hurt. My brakes are so bad that my legs hurt from pushing in the brake. Yeah. It's no fun. I don't like it. I don't. Let's see if we can music back on. I hate this not having music. Yep, music. Need some background music for this. So I'm almost to Irwin. If you don't know, if you're watching these and you're not from here and you just found me for some reason on YouTube, this is Irwin. It can be pretty at times, but it's so small there's never anything to do. Never anything to do. Nothing. There's nothing to do. If you find something to do in Irwin, tell me. Get this camera out. There we go. If you find something to do in Irwin, please tell me, because I'm interested to know. You've got 3 restaurants that are worth eating, maybe 4, depending on where you eat at. And then you've got, there's no entertainment. You got 4 schools, 1,700 churches, 3 worthy restaurants, about 5 bad restaurants, and I see a cop, so I'm gonna put this down. Put this down, the cop. His brakes aren't helping me any. I hate watching for cops. Green light. Like when I get away from them, I'll put this back up. Living that good life. You know, I think I'm fit for this, because I don't care what people think. People see me with a camera in my car, they're gonna look at me funny. People look at me funny anyway, so what's it matter? Oh. Dear Hardee's, I won't send you, but I have no time. I have to be at work in 5 minutes. in 5 minutes, not 6 minutes, not 7 minutes, not 4 minutes, but 5 minutes. But check in any time before that or after that, I'm either late or too early. So I noticed that now I'm going to have to edit this. I probably will. I think I am going to put in my credit card on iTunes and get that iMovie. It looks pretty cool. Looks like it'd work fine. But what do I know? See, I don't really like this shift that much. I like the job itself, this job that I do on this shift, but I don't like the shift because I don't get a lunch break, and by the time I get off, it's 4 o'clock. I mean, 2 o'clock. And if I eat then, I'm not going to eat a whole lot of supper. That's what I did yesterday. I ate a small bit of chicken from the deli down here. And then I wasn't hungry when I got home, and Mom made a good meal. I ate just a little bit. Brakes. Turning. Into the food line. Okay. Let's see if I can stop here. There's where I work. Parking lot. Stop. And we're here. There's CVS Pharmacy. There's L Food Line. That's where I work, guys. This is Irwin. Mountains. Cars. Ford Place. It's exciting stuff. Very. I noticed that when I'm vlogging, I didn't drink much of my Dr. Neff. Usually it's gone by now. It'll be in work at 3 minutes, so I'm gonna hang up, guys, and I'll hook up with you after work on my way home. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, I just got off work, and I can't get my truck to start. I know you're wishing me luck. It ain't working. It's trying, but it ain't wanting to turn. Well, I'll get back to you guys if it starts. If not, oh well. Well, guys, I made it home, but my truck won't start still. It's sitting back at Food Line. So, I made it home. I'm tired. I'm gonna take a nap. So, good night. I'll be back later, maybe. Well, guys, I'm awake. That's about it. Let's see. 2.5 hours later, I wake up from my slumber to Mom yelling, "Nathan, get up! It's time to go to church." I'm going to church. Okay, guys, I just finished eating after I got home from church, and I gotta do some editing on this vlog, and it's gonna take a while to get this edited and uploaded, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it right now. It is 8:43. Alright, yep, 8:43. I have to read it backwards on here. I don't like it. Anyway, it's 8:43, and I don't have anything to talk about, so I'll talk to you guys in the morning. I gotta go to work in the morning, so we'll have another on the way to work talk. Good night, guys.